Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So for this video, I'm going to be doing an 80s thrift haul. Everything here is authentic besides two pieces which I'll point out, but the rest of it is from my parents, hand-me-downs, from eBay, thrift shops, and stuff like that. If you guys don't already know, I do dress 80s too. I just don't really do it on this channel, but because it's the fall, I'm going to be bringing it out and I'm super excited. So let's go ahead and get started. So for the first one, let's start with a cool one. Let's start with the Boombox that's already here. My dad used to be a DJ in the 80s, so he has a lot of turntables and records and cassettes. I didn't take the turntable with me from Puerto Rico just because it wasn't working, but this does work, so I brought this with me. And I'm going to show you how it works and all that stuff with these two cassettes. It plays cassette but also radio. So these two cassettes are the Michael Jackson Thriller and the Michael Jackson Bad. So boomboxes are quite easy once you understand what everything stands for. So I'm going to go ahead and eject, place the cassette with the tape facing up, boop, and usually sometimes if you're really at the end of the cassette, you want to set it back with the rewinder forward depending on where you want to be in the song. See where we're at, press play. So it's really hard to land exactly at the beginning of a song as to why a lot of people just forward it all the way to the beginning and just let it play through. But I just love playing music on here because it sounds very authentic, specifically just 80s music, and I play 50s music on a record player. But it just sounds so I don't know, organic, if that makes any sense. So if you ever find a working boombox like this, make sure you buy it because it's a lot of fun. Now I also brought out some 80s records, the one that you guys would be very familiar with. I wasn't going to do all my records because there's about 300. Not even being dramatic, there's hundreds of them. So let's start off with the best of the best, Michael Jackson. This is his Thriller instrumental album, but I also have the original. I also have Culture Club. I love their Karma Chameleon song.
Come, chameleon. You come and go. You come and go.
And I have Madonna. This is her True Blue album.
Papa, don't preach. I've been told me. Papa, don't preach. I've been losing sleep.
So, those are the records I got to show you. Let's move on to that. Now this is a Michael Jackson doll. This is the superstar of the 80s doll. He actually has a picture of him holding this. I don't think he really liked this doll though, because it looks nothing like him. Okay, so moving on to clothing. So these are my favorite jeans. These are the Levi Strauss 912. This is what they look like. Super, super cute. I'm in love with these, even though they cut off my breathing. This is what they look like, And what's funny is that I used to make fun of my dad for wearing jeans like this because they looked funny to me as a kid, but now I wear them. And now I think they're really cool. So the next thing is I love to collect jean jackets. Here is this one that I got at Goodwill. And I'm going to put it on so you can see what it looks like. So that's what it looks like. I find jeans are perfect for the fall, so always have a jean jacket in your collection if you dress 80s too. I also have this. It's a Mickey Mouse jean jacket that my mom used to wear in the 80s. Or I think this is maybe the 90s. No, I think this is from the 80s. I used to wear this a lot back in the day. And this one looks like... just like that. And I think it's super cute for when you're going to Disney with some Mickey Mouse ears. Yes. Now I also have this shirt. This is from Michael Jackson's music video, Beat It. So the next item is this Lisa Frank sweater that I wore in my last video. This one is the one that's not vintage. This is from Hot Topic that I just bought recently for $12, but it looks exactly how they used to look in the 80s and 90s, so I had to pick it up. So this next one is also from Hot Topic. It is a aqua geometric sweater, and I don't know if this is considered 80s or 90s, but they work for both eras because both eras wore geometric patterns and all that, so it works. And this is like a good comfy like pajama casual type of sweater. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you have any other video recommendations, put that down in the comment section below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one.